consensus.
The chapter was cool. Initially, I used to think that
1003.
I expected Kaido to be more powerful because he is considered to be the most powerful beast among in the One Piece, right? But in this chapter,
Ah,
he proved me wrong because I was kind of disappointed of Kaido in previous chapters.
he proved you wrong. That means
Yes,
that
that is the
now
he
you
proved me
think
wrong,
that
right? Because yeah, I was disappointed in him.
you were disappointed that he wasn't showing enough.
Yes, but
So
now that
what did he do in this chapter for you to believe that he is
we
the
will find
strongest?
out. We will find out. Just chill. We will find.
Who was your most who were you most impressed of from this chapter?
To
What
be
did you
honest, I was most impressed by Killer. I think he's showing
Killer?
off his Killer. I think Killer is my
What the
MVP
hell
for
did Killer do?
dude. He can cut Kaido. He can scar like Zoro. He
But
can
in this
scar,
chapter he didn't do but he didn't do shit in this chapter. What the fuck are you
dude.
talking about?
His swag from last chapter carried on in this chapter.
No, it did not. What the fuck? What the
Then who is
fuck? No, it did.
then who is your MVP then?
My MVP. My
Yes.
MVP is Kaido. Definitely Kaido. Look at him, he's just chilling. The five dudes fighting him from like 5 chapters. Didn't do shit to him. He's like, oh, laughing. He's laughing it off. He's
Yes.
laughing it off. And now he's gone into his hybrid form. Wait a minute.
I don't think his hybrid
Yeah.
form like I don't think Luffy's Gear 5 is powerful enough to defeat Kaido in his hybrid form. I think he's still
Gear
lacking
5.
that. I think he's still lacking that energy. I don't think Luffy will defeat Kaido one-on-one, but I think the whole team will.
Everyone knows that Luffy can't defeat any Yonko one-on-one. It has to
Yeah,
be
at least
the
not yet.
squad.
At least not
At
yet.
least not yet. At least not yet.
It has to be the whole squad.
Yeah, but do you think that Kaido and Big Mom are going down right now in this war, or they are
I
going to
don't know,
lose?
but-
Because I think because I think that they are going to lose. After this chapter, I'm almost convinced that they are going to lose.
I think according to me, Kaido will be defeated because
No, I don't.
Zenma.
Like, dude, here's what I think.
Just
The world
because of Zoro.
No, because Zoro can be Zoro. I guess is one of the most important elements in the fight because as you can see in the chapter, I guess Killer said that, "Oh Zoro, you cut his scales." Like there is one scene.
Yeah, I
dude,
know that.
Like, dude, in one of the panels, the world's strongest intelligence agency, they themselves said if two of the emperors were to fall here, the future would definitely become uncertain. But that outcome is impossible. So I don't think so. According to me, it's highly unlikely of Luffy defeating Kaido. I think it's more like they will defeat the what is called
Kaido alliance.
no.
Big Mom Kaido alliance.
Yeah, they will somehow break the alliance, according to me, by the end of Wano. Because if Kaido and Big Mom joins alliance against the world government, then we know it's over.
Yeah, that will definitely happen because people have this theory that Kaido's gonna betray. Oh no, Big Mom's gonna betray Kaido sometime in the future. It's about time. But
Yeah, I guess it is the same. Like, but I don't know. According to me, one of the Yonko will be defeated for sure. But
yeah, Kaido has to go down in Wano, right? Kaido has to go down in Wano.
No.
Otherwise, how will Wano be liberated?
Dude, what did Hawkins say in one of a few chapters ago?
What did he say?
He said the chance of defeating Kaido is 1%, and even
No, he didn't say that. No, he didn't say that.
and he
did
said
he
that
say
he said that Law will die sooner or later, right?
Stop it. Get some help.
No.
What?
He predicted the fact that Law will die and Law has to give immortality to someone, either Kaido or someone else.
What? No.
What? You don't know this?
When did
Hawkins
he say
said
that?
this.
What the fuck?
Arey,
When? Which chapter?
in chapter 983, 991 or something.
Speculation. Hawkins never said that in any
Yes,
chapter.
it's just a
not canon.
speculation. It's just a speculation.
That's all.
But if Hawkins said
But
that,
you said that
there
they
has
said
to
it
be a
in the
meaning.
chapter. What the fuck? Okay, let's just say that. I don't think that happened, but
Yes,
we
this is the
yeah, even
What?
I think it didn't happen. I don't think so.
Shall we read the chapter right now?
Yeah,
As
your
to get
voice
that
is
idea,
cutting out.
as to get the idea of what's
Can't-
happening in here.
can't hear Umang, can't hear.
Hello, hello,
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है तेरा, क्या कर रहा है? हाँ बोल.
hello,
Okay,
hello,
so
hello.
yeah, I can hear you. I
Bola.
can hear you.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first slide is about Luffy beating the fuck out of Kaido.
Yeah, you
in
don't
his-
need to read the chapter.
I'm not
entire
reading the
Just
chapter.
tell me
Shut
what
up,
do you
shut up,
think
shut
the role is. What do
I'm
you
not-
think?
I'm not actually
Yes,
reading the chapter. I'm just telling you what's happening, and you have to give your opinions on that. Okay.
अरे चुप रहना थोड़ा. CP9. What do you think of the CP0 situation?
CP0.
Or what are they gonna do? Or are they
I
gonna
think-
do anything
yeah,
at all?
I think-
Like
yeah,
what Oda
I think-
says, they are the
I-
world's most strongest intelligence agency. That has to mean something. It means that if they are predicting something, there's a high possibility that that is true.
Maybe. But do you think they're gonna take action? Means they are waiting for someone to.
No, they are
be
not going to
defeated
take
and
action. They are not going to take action anytime sooner. Because in the next slide, we can see CP0. They are saying like, please continue to do your utmost to take each other out, my dear pirates. So I think they are like an alliance. They are
Yeah,
like this thing. They are like this
No,
cult
they-
as SWORD, and their only point is to defeat pirates by using pirates. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's the main goal. They just don't wanna they just don't wanna come in between each other. They just want to they just want them to fight in between, and then whatever is the outcome, they'll just bash in and defeat everyone because
Dude, it's like
because the main reason they are here, right? Because they want the
Yes.
weapon. They are making deals with Wano, and Doflamingo was the broker, right? That's why Revolutionary Army was in the Dressrosa. They were there tracking the weapons which were manufactured here in Wano, but Doflamingo was also supplying them to other people. He was a broker.
Like, dude, according to
So-
me, it's out of their hands, but they are still in control. You know what I mean? They are not doing
What is
anything
out of
physically.
it?
CP0.
What CP0? They are just
They are still in
lurking
control.
the background.
They are not doing anything
Wait.
physically. They are not attacking someone, but they are manipulating the whole pirate thing.
Waiting for the perfect situation to jump.
Yeah, waiting for the perfect
That's what
situation
you're
to pop out. Yes.
Yeah, that's what I think too. But do you really think that Luffy is gonna defeat the alliance? These 5 pirates are gonna defeat? Like,
No,
he
I don't
doesn't
think
even
Luffy-
know Rio, man.
Like, dude,
there,
even
there
if,
will be betrayal, of course. There will be betrayal, of course.
like, dude, here's the thing.
What?
uh,
What betrayal? Umang?
No, like one of the Yonko will betray. Like the yeah.
Yes,
Big
like
Mom will
that is
betray
the
Kaido.
like that is the thing, right?
That's-
Their pirates are supposed to betray each other.
Yeah, that's what Kaido's been saying all this,
But dude,
all
like,
this
dude,
arc.
there's this theory going on that Law is a part of SWORD, right? He's a member of SWORD, and if
Yeah,
he's a
of
member of
course, that's a very
SWORD,
popular theory.
and if-
yeah, I
yes.
believe that.
yes, and if he's a member of SWORD, that is highly unlikely for Law to betray Luffy because Luffy is one of the strongest pirates in this era, right?
Yeah, of course.
So I don't think that Law will betray
Yeah,
Luffy
I don't think
anytime
Law will
soon.
betray. No.
At least
no,
not in
I
one.
don't think that. No,
Not
Law,
in one.
we're not talking about Law and Luffy. We're talking
No,
about Big Mom and Kaido. We're talking about
we are
Big Mom and
talking
Kaido.
about the Yonkos. Like one of the Yonko has to betray, or the other Yonko, like both the Yonkos.
But I don't see.
Like,
but
dude,
I don't see
it's
Big Mom
like,
betraying Kaido right now and fighting along
like,
with
dude,
Luffy.
not now. But
I don't see that.
But dude, if we read the previous chapters, we can see that Big Mom and Kaido, they are on their way to find One Piece, and when they find One Piece, they'll be like, "Nah, I'm done, and I'm betraying you right now."
But that's
They
not
are so
gonna happen.
arrogant
We all know
about
that.
they are so arrogant
We
about
all
their
know
goals. They both know that they both will betray each other. They both know that.
But do you think that Kaido is going down right now in this situation, or they're gonna
No.
lose this round and then come the
Like,
third round and then Luffy is
One of
gonna
the
win
Yonko-
again?
One of the Yonko has to fall. Like anything happens, according to me, one of the Yonko has to fall.
Like, dude,
Or
that's
That's Kaido.
That
Kaido
makes
has
sense.
to go down.
That makes
Right?
sense.
Kaido
But
has
dude,
to
here's
go
the
down.
thing.
But I'm not asking you whether Kaido goes down or not. I'm just asking you whether Kaido goes down right now, or they lose this round and they come stronger
Okay.
the third time around.
Okay, this is my theory. This is what I think. According to me, someone unpredictable has to come and defeat both of the Yonkos. No betrayal, because if because according to me, this is, I guess, like the next arc will be Elbaf, and then the final island, because
Like, dude,
Luffy don't have time. Luffy don't have time to defeat some another Yonko again. Like Abhi, um, for example, if Kaido goes down here, then Luffy will die. Like Luffy will die even if Big Mom remains, because the people right now aren't even strong enough to defeat Kaido alone. And
like, dude,
there's
here's the thing. As you're saying that both of these Yonko has to be defeated by someone. If any One Piece character is strong enough to defeat Big Mom and Kaido single-handedly, is Shanks. No other than Shanks.
No, not even Shanks. What? Shut the fuck up. Not even
Like,
Shanks.
dude, if he
No
comes
one-
with his
no
crew,
one
that's
can
just a high
defeat.
possibility of him winning, right? Because his crew.
Yeah, along with Luffy,
There is-
alongside with
Yeah,
Luffy.
alongside.
but not
That's what I'm
alone.
saying. If
Not
you're saying
alone.
that someone,
You said that. No,
No,
Is Shanks-
someone unpredictable can be scored, because or
I-
even
Blackbeard. That's the
because-
most common theory. The Blackbeard.
No,
is gonna score.
Blackbeard-
because
But I am.
there is no good
You're
Poneglyph
not getting
fight.
what I'm asking, man. Wait.
Okay, dude, state your
I am
question. What's your
asking,
question?
I am asking whether they are gonna win this round. These 5 pirates are gonna win this round, or they're gonna lose this. The raid on Onigashima, is it going to fail,
Like, dude, answer my
or is
question.
it going to succeed? Is it
is
going
this-
to succeed, or is it going to fail? This
is
raid,
this-
this raid which we are seeing right now, this raid.
I
Which we are
get it.
seeing
I
right
get it. Is this the last act of Wano? Is this the last act of Wano?
now. I don't think so. I don't think so.
Like, dude, if you watch a drama, or if you watch a similar TV serial, there are supposed to be 3 acts, and they are not supposed to be 4 acts. So I think
No, the
if this is
Kobuki play is supposed to have 5 acts, and
Okay,
the
so
third
if
act,
this-
the third act usually ends in a tragedy.
yes, right, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So I think in the end of by the end of the third act, I think Luffy is going down, along with his crewmates and along with
Luffy?
yes, Luffy is going down.
Luffy can't go down.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah,
The arc 3 has been long enough. The arc
Like,
3
I'm answering your question, right? You asked me what's going on and what will be the outcome of this fight, and that's what I'm
Yes.
saying. Luffy is going down. There's no way Luffy could win because it's only been a few days since he learned Ryu, right?
Yeah, a week max. A week max.
He is weak, but he has to become strong. Like, that's the plot of the whole series. Because Luffy doesn't have child to transfer his will, so he has to win right now. Fuck. Like, it has to be plot armor or nothing.
So you're saying that this raid is gonna end in success.
Something's gonna happen. That
A third party intervention.
yeah, which is
Probably.
worse, maybe Blackbeard or even Cypher.
Like, dude, according to me, I think someone related to Rock Tizabek will pop out of nowhere because
What?
Rocks. Someone related
How?
to Rocks Pirate will pop out in Wano
How?
because there's a lot of things going on around Rocks in previous chapters.
I don't know anything about that. That's kind of a reach.
Like, dude,
but
Oda is
maybe,
hyping out.
maybe.
Like, dude, Oda is hyping up Rock for some reason, right? He's hyping up Rocks for some reason, and there has to be a reason for that.
Yeah,
No,
but that
because-
doesn't mean that
because-
someone
no,
related to him will show up in Wano.
Yeah, no, because he has to explain where the Kaido's and Kaido and Big Mom's history comes. So he has to explain who's Zebek, because he is their captain. So he has to explain their whole chemistry.
Dude, I don't think
I
the
don't think
throwback will
no,
take
no,
that
no.
long
I
because
don't think that everything that listen. I think that's going to happen in the Kaido flashback sooner or later. So we don't need Rock back right now coming out of nowhere. When he's dead,
Mix it up.
he's supposed to be dead, and comes out of nowhere and throws a wrench into the things. So
Hmm?
I don't think so. He's coming back. What do you think about Zoro this chapter? Do you think he's going to cut
like,
Kaido
dude, I
this
think
fight?
no,
or-
I don't think he's going to cut or kill Kaido, but Zoro will damage Kaido in such a way that Zoro will become Kaido will become weak to Luffy.
Yeah, that's going to happen sooner or later.
Because
Of
I don't
course.
think Zoro
Of
is
course.
supposed to defeat Kaido, right? Because Luffy is the MC and he's supposed to defeat Kaido.
Yes, he's supposed to defeat Kaido, and
even-
not Zoro,
even-
but
No,
Huh?
but
What?
I guess there is one popular theory where everyone said last arc was about Sanji, and this
Sanji.
has to be about Zoro. That's what as I said before.
I don't think Zoro's gonna kill Kaido. I don't know about that.
That's I said what. That's exactly what I said. I think Zoro will make Kaido weak for Luffy, but I don't think he's going to defeat him.
Yeah, that's what I think too. But
Yeah, not
we'll
not
see.
defeat her, but yeah.
What about Orochi? Do you think he's really dead? I
Yeah.
mean, we
Yeah,
saw his
no,
head
I don't think
twice
he's
now.
dead. No, I don't think he's
You
dead
still
because
don't think he's dead?
no, because he's a Hydra, and Hydra is like a mythological creature, and it's supposed to have 5 heads or at least 8 heads. I don't know. And if you cut off one of its head, it will still live.
Yeah, but
But
that's when he's in his Zoan form. When
yeah,
Kaido cut his head off, he was in his human form, and we still and this chapter we literally saw his head lying around
Like yeah,
no, and
again.
no, sorry, it has like it has to be like he's a Yonko, so maybe his haki is used according to me. Yeah, so with haki, I think is of course Kaido has cut him, so of course like he has applied some like Yonkos have unconsciously applied haki maybe, like this is what I think. So
But
yeah,
Haki,
no,
but
like dude, Haki is
but
something
it
which is
doesn't
like
matter. Doesn't matter whether he used Haki or not. He's literally cut this dude's entire head off. Literally his
yeah, he's
entire
dead.
head off, chopped his
like
head
dude,
off.
Even I think,
do you
even I
seriously
think
think that Oda will let him die just like this? I don't think though.
Uh, if you go
yeah,
by the past, I don't think so either. But
Yeah,
he
there's no way
literally
Orochi
showed
is
his head
dead.
again. This
And
he
dude, here's the
literally.
thing: Orochi played such a big role in this whole Wano thing, right?
yeah,
He's
no,
responsible for so many
he
bad
just
things happened in Wano, and I don't
just
think
showed.
Oda will just kill him just like that. I think someone else is going to kill him. It will be more like someone like Momonosuke, probably not, but someone like Kinemon or something.
Yeah,
Uh,
it is possible. It is possible. Like
Luffy
it
went
can.
into Gear 4, kicked Kaido's ass for like 10 minutes and then
Kaido
went
is like
out again.
Yeah,
nothing
Again.
happened, bro. He's like whoa, ro, 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 ro,
Kaido's
ro.
just chilling. Kaido's just chilling. How the hell is he
like
gonna fight again?
it's just child's play for him right now, to be honest. And Luffy was not one. He was the main fighter right there because he
Yeah, he
was
was the
the
strongest of the bunch. He was the strongest.
yeah. And
And,
I don't
and he's
and
done.
I don't
I
think Zoro can Zoro can stall him, but not for like more like
too long.
yeah, not for too long. Not
But
even everyone together can stall him.
but it's just 10 minutes, right? They have to stall him for
Like,
10
dude,
minutes
it's
and
the
then
same
Luffy
thing, right?
regains his haki back. But
No, but
uh,
even Nekomamushi and like their crew
Jack, yeah, what?
they didn't even they didn't even fight Kaido properly in their Sulong form. They weren't match enough. Like they weren't
Of course not. He destroyed them.
yeah,
He
in
literally
second
destroyed them.
in
And
second
he didn't
in
even use
second
his hybrid form, which he Oda literally teased us
yeah.
with this
Like,
hybrid
dude,
form. But
it all ends
his
up to
club
the
looks
fact,
very different. His club looks very different in this silhouette. If you can
like, dude, in
look
talking
at
Yeah,
the
about
last
Zoro,
page,
like, dude,
club looks very different.
if we are talking about Zoro, we have to consider the fact that Luffy is the main character, and it all ends up to the same fact that Luffy is the one who's supposed to defeat Kaido and not Zoro.
Yeah, he's not supposed to defeat Kaido, but I
Then
don't
what
think
is
that
the
they're gonna win. I don't think this raid's gonna end in a success
and
because
dude,
until a few chapters ago, I was like, okay, this might be the final thing, but after this chapter, I'm almost certain that the raid's not. It's gonna end in failure, man. It's gonna end in failure. I think so because Kaido literally just went in his hybrid form after like, uh, and Big Mom still hasn't been touched yet.
after
She still
nine
hasn't been touched
months.
yet.
Yeah.
like, dude,
Like,
for me, I think it's
how
easy
the
to
hell?
defeat Big Mom. I think it's easy to defeat Big Mom if you manipulate her in a way, right? Like, dude,
You have to
like,
play with her emotions,
yes,
kind of, I guess.
like, dude, what happened in Whole Cake Island? What was her name? Her mother's name. What was it? What was it?
Mother Caramel.
Yeah, what?
Caramel.
Like, dude, if you show her a picture to Big Mom will go crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, but that's
So
not gonna happen in between this
yeah,
battle. I don't think.
that's not
But
gonna happen in this battle. But here's the thing: she lost his conscious. She lost her consciousness, isn't it?
her,
Because of that
but
headbang. What happened in Wano? We all know what happened. Like, dude, I
yeah, but
think
that's
she's
not
not
gonna
a.
happen. That's not.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen, of course. But that's what I'm telling you about, right? Because it's easy to manipulate Big Mom into doing stupid things. Like, dude, Kaido's
no,
ambi-
right now, no, right now, no. She's
But right now she's in her like what
she's
assault mode, if I can
she's
say.
even
Like,
more cautious than Kaido. She's
Yes,
even
dude.
more cautious than
yeah,
Kaido right now.
Kaido wants-
She knew when that Zoro's attack came.
Like, dude, the difference
So,
is Kaido
she-
wants. The
right-
difference is Kaido wants world abomination, and Big Mom wants a fucking cake.
No, yeah, I guess, but Kaido was just letting them have him. Is that what you're saying?
Like, dude,
like he
until
was
now,
just
Kaido was having fun. If I'm not wrong, Kaido was having fun. Kaido was like, "Yeah, you kids, yeah, you're doing it. I get it."
But now it's getting interesting.
Yes, now it's getting
Just
serious,
like you
right?
said, it's getting fun for him, not for Luffy.
Bro, I don't think
I
Luffy
don't
will
know.
win this fight. Not now.
So you think that this?
Yeah, this
so
raid
you
is
think
going
that-
to fail. I think this raid is going to fail.
After this chapter,
There's no way
Yeah.
Luffy is winning this because it's only been like 2 or maybe 3 days, I don't know, since he learned Ryu, right?
a week max.
Yes, a week max since he learned Ryu. So he clearly doesn't know
Yeah.
how to use it. Like, dude, he knows how to use it, but he hasn't mastered it yet,
Yeah.
right?
And in the beginning of the act, if you remember, Hawkins told that Luffy and Zoro have a 1% or what was it, 2% chance of surviving after
Yes.
a month. After a month.
2%,
And we are weak
2%
after that right now.
2%
It's-
chance of
it's not been a
surviving,
month. It's
not
just-
even winning.
it's just-
surviving.
Surviving, right?
Where
and
the
it's
fuck
just
did
been a
Ubungo
week.
go?
It's not been a month. It's
Okay, so getting back
Yeah.
to the chapter, what else was new in this chapter?
nothing. Nothing really.
Yeah, it was a good overall chapter.
Like,
According to
there,
me.
So
there
how
was a
would you
twist.
rate that?
There was a
10,
twist, of course, right?
7
There's
out
a
of
twist
10.
about Cypher Pole Zero because we got to see them. But other than
Yeah,
that,
after a long time.
but
I
other
would
than
have loved
that,
to see Lucci. Love to see Lucci.
like there
he
was
wasn't
another thing
there.
that the chapter ended at a cliffhanger, right? That Kaido is transforming is in Kaido is transforming
Hybrid form.
in his hybrid form. So yeah, there was another thing. But what other than that?
I don't think that we cut off to the fight. Sorry, I don't think we
Yeah.
see the fight or the
Yeah,
rooftop
we'll
from
get
next
no.
chapter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we'll
we'll
not
get the
get
other
his hybrid
Stoics
form in
fight.
the next.
Yeah, we're definitely not gonna see
Yeah.
that. It's like Gear 4 or some shit like that. He's gonna stall.
Like,
He's
dude,
gonna
it's a
show
good
us
thing.
other Stoics
It's a good
fight.
thing that we only have to wait a few weeks for it, right? Like 1 week for it to be precise.
Few
The
days.
chapter is
No,
coming
we're
next
not gonna
week.
see. No, I don't think we're gonna see the hybrid form next chapter. Definitely not.
Yeah. I guess it will be all about the other straw hats. I guess.
Yeah,
Hey, dude,
and I think the
according
raid
to
is
me-
gonna fail.
Or maybe what's going in Wano right now? Maybe I don't know. Or some other
Okay,
people.
let me just ask you. Let's just say that Zoro didn't have Enma. Yeah. Let's just say that he didn't have Enma. Is he
won't-
doing the
won't
same
be
thing?
able-
Is he doing the same thing he's doing on the rooftop?
No.
Is he doing the same things?
No.
Like, dude, without
no,
Enma,
not according to
like,
me.
dude, according
Without
to me,
Enma. Without Enma.
No.
like, dude, according to me,
No.
Kaido is not scared of Zoro, but he's definitely like he's
He's
definitely
scared of
anxious about
Enma.
it.
He is scared of Enma.
He is scared of
scared of
Enma.
Because
Enma.
Like, dude, here's the thing. He's not scared of Zoro, but he is scared of Enma. But he is not scared of the overall Zoro. You know what I mean? Like, Zoro is using Enma, and Zoro is not still powerful enough to defeat Kaido
I don't
using
think he's
Enma.
scared of Enma. I don't think
No.
he's scared of Enma either.
He's just anxious. He's just anxious. He's not
just-
scared.
Yeah, he's anxious.
No, like according to me, like he just sees Odin in him, but like according to me, like in the end of the fight, like when like at the climax of it, maybe Zoro will have the finishing blow.
Zoro will have the
Like,
finishing blow.
This is what I think.
Like, dude, as
That's
I
what
said,
most
everyone.
Zoros say.
Like, dude, as I
That's
said,
what.
Luffy, Law, Kid, Zoro, and most NC characters will weaken Kaido, so Luffy can defeat him.
Not
Like,
Luffy,
dude, we
though,
all
I
know,
don't
dude, like, dude, we all know that One Piece is all about friendship, isn't it? So I think they all will defeat
But
Kaido
Luffy-
in a bunch, but not as a single character. This happens every time. Even in Dressrosa, everyone defeated everyone, and then Luffy defeated Doflamingo. Right?
Yeah, but this is different. Doflamingo was Doflamingo. This is fucking Kaido. This is fucking Kaido.
Yeah.
What do you expect? Just look at Marineford, a sick old dying white beard. Look at what it took to kill him. Just look at the amount of damage that he took, and that was sick old white beard. And this is Kaido in his, you can
Prime.
say he's in his prime right now.
Somewhat prime form, right?
Yeah, somewhat prime. Yeah, definitely.
What?
He's known
Who?
for his durability.
Like, dude,
So
what do you think?
Whitebeard.
What do you? Let's not talk about
just
Marineford
imagine
right
what
now.
it's gonna take to kill him. Just imagine that.
Like, dude, what do you think? What will happen post Wano?
Post Mano.
Yeah, and like, dude, Elbaf will be a thing, right? Elbaf will be the next arc, which will be coming up post Wano.
Let's
But other than
just
that,
stay in Wano. Let's just stay in Wano. Let's just
no,
stay.
we need to
stay in
discuss
Wano,
about
man.
we need to discuss about what things will happen post Wano, so we can speculate the things which are going on in Wano right now.
वो भी है.
Like, dude, Oda is
Let's see.
hyping up rocks for some goddamn reason that I don't know, and like, he's connecting the threads like he always does, and this makes sense because every time he does that, he reveals something big.
Yeah, he already revealed rocks. What else is left to reveal?
Hey, dude, we all know that rock exists from such a long time, and
You think he's still alive?
no, I don't think he's alive, but his legacy lives on, right?
His legacy? But what does that have to do with the Wano war?
No, he's not. He don't want to say legacy. It's maybe his will.
Like, dude,
Which is of course like
with
Blackbeard.
Blackbeard. Yeah, that's the.
Like, dude, we don't know the reason why Kaido wants war in this world. We don't know the reason why he wants world abomination. That could be the reason, right? Because
we know that he wants to die. He wants to die an honorable death, just like Whitebeard did at Marineford. He just wants a huge battle that will kill him.
he just wants to die, right?
Yeah, but he doesn't. He just doesn't want to drown himself or like eat poison. He wants to die a heroic death, just like Whitebeard did, which I don't think he's gonna get. But that's what he wants.
Like, dude, I think that Kaido is like so, so arrogant and so angry. At some point, Oda will reveal the backstory of Kaido, and I think I'm going to cry when I learn about that. This is the same thing.
Cry though. Like,
like,
not gonna crash. Like according
like,
to
dude,
me, according to me, Doflamingo had like Doflamingo had one of the best backstories according to me.
Yeah, dude, I'm not
And
going to cry
maybe-
like
or maybe Senor what was
Lord
his name?
Senor Pink.
Senor Pink too. Yeah, backstory's
Like,
always
dude,
been good.
I don't think I'm going to cry like wah 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 wah, but I'm going to cry like there's this tear coming out of my eye. You know what I mean? I'm just sad. I'm not crying. I'm just sad.
So what do you think is gonna happen in the next chapter? Let's just end it with that.
I think we will get to see Kaido's hybrid form. That is a possibility which is listen to me. That is a possibility which is highly unlikely. But there's this other thing. Oda will do that common Oda thing that he will bring up some other topics, right? Like he does every time.
He'll stall.
Yes, he will retain this chapter. He will retain this form, Kaido's hybrid form, to a point that audience will be on their feet, right? This is a cliffhanger.
maybe.
There is a reason. This is such a big cliffhanger.
So for that, according to me, he'll just show what's going down there.
I think we need to see. I think we need to see what's going on with Marco and Sanji. How does Sanji get out of there? Because this chapter we saw that
or every
that Nami and Usopp are running towards Sanji. And Sanji sees them, so I think Sanji is gonna get out of that web, and he might fight Queen. We don't know. Marco is definitely going to fight King.
अरे यार वो बात करो
Frankie is
please.
fighting Sasuke. So I think we cut off to
Ruk,
the Straw Hat fights.
Lalu ruk.
No, अभी बोल आ गया मैं अभी बोल.
Yeah, I think we're going to cut off to the other Straw Hats fights. What do you think?
Yeah, even I think he's gonna cut off, or maybe all like rest of the everyone, King, Queen, Jack.
Like, dude,
and,
this is the
no,
thing
even
Oda does,
Jack
right?
defeated,
Like, dude,
but King, Queen, and other Straw Hats.
this
like,
is the
fight
thing Oda
with,
does, right? Even in Dressrosa, when Luffy was fighting what's his name, Doflamingo, we get a cut off of Zoro fighting that Pika. Wait, is it Pika? It was Pika, right?
Yeah,
Or
it
someone
was
else.
Pika.
Yes, it was Pika, and we get another shot of Usopp fighting someone else and Nami fighting someone
Yeah,
else,
but-
and I think that's going to happen here as well, because King
But
King
this
and
is
Queen.
different. This is the
King,
we
we
will
have to
even-
consider.
definitely-
Even yeah, well,
Yeah, we'll
Like, dude,
definitely
we have to
not say
consider
Kaido
the King and
next
Queen.
chapter.
These two guys are so powerful, and Oda is not going to let them go just like this.
Yeah, of course not. Of course not. Nobody.
And I think they will get attention in the next few chapters. I think that's going to be. And we all know how powerful
Yeah.
Marco is, and what happened a few chapters ago, that Marco just flew up
Yeah,
and
yeah,
flew
he's
past flew,
yeah,
flew
he
past
choked.
King, right? So I think Marco is definitely powerful, but is he powerful to
Of
defeat
course.
No, is he powerful but is he powerful enough to defeat King? That
No,
is the
no.
question. Like, dude,
I
I
think
Yeah,
he,
I
maybe
think yes,
according to me,
maybe.
because no,
I think he is. I think he
of
is.
Yeah,
course,
maybe.
no, of yeah, maybe because no, because like I guess King has mythical zone,
Hmm. Yes, King has.
dinosaur, yeah,
What
King
is
mythical
but I
zone.
don't,
King is not a
yeah,
mythical
but no,
zone.
no,
He's an ancient zone.
ancient
Marco's
zone?
the
yeah,
mythical
ancient
zone.
zone. Yeah,
Marco's the
so yeah,
mythical zone.
so I don't think he has some other abilities for like Marco has healing, of course. So he can heal up pretty quick. So yeah, like he has
Yeah, we
some
might see.
great
Yeah,
chances to defeat King.
Like, dude, King is the
yeah,
only one who is remaining of his own race. Like, he's like a merman, but he's the only one who exists, right?
yeah. We haven't seen anyone other than
Yes,
King.
anyone other than King who looks like King. So I think he's unique as if oh fuck.
Yeah, Big Mom even wanted her in his crew.
Like,
In
dude,
her crew.
yes, in her crew. So I think King has to have some kind of other ability rather than just being
Yeah,
a
he
dinosaur.
definitely has. I'm just saying that we're gonna cut off
Like,
to
dude,
the other
mermaids.
Straw
Like, dude,
fights next chapter. So
like,
I
dude,
think
we
the
know that
act might
mermen.
end in a few chapters. The
Like,
act
dude,
is going to end in a few
we know that
chapters.
even
What
if
do you think?
mermans, like, dude, even if mermans ate a devil fruit, they are still able to survive underneath the water, right? Because they are mermans.
What?
Mermans.
इसका बात किधर से आ गया? क्या बोल
Yeah,
रहा
अरे
है?
मतलब मैं पॉइंट बना रहा हूँ ना कि देख अभी देख मरमेन कैसे सरवाइव कर
अरे
जाते हैं, तो उनके पास अपने एक नेचुरल
हाँ.
पर्क है ना, तो वैसे भी बोल रहा हूँ कि किंग के पास भी कुछ ऐसा पर्क होगा.
अरे but वो I don't think his perk is gonna come
No. I
useful
don't
in
think
a
it's
fight.
that like nah,
Yeah,
nah.
it like
He's
he
going to have a hybrid
maybe
form.
has some perks, but I don't think it is much more useful in the fight, and especially with Marco at
Yeah,
least.
he's going to have a hybrid form and that's it. I don't expect anything else from King. Look,
Like,
I
what,
think
dude,
that
No,
this raid
what's
is going
his
to end in failure.
what's his
I
bounty
think that
again? What's his bounty?
yeah, we still don't know. We still don't know.
It's
we
like
still don't know.
it has to be like 2 billion or something. Since
No,
Jack
no,
is
Yeah,
no,
one,
it has
no,
yeah,
no
it has to
no
be
no.
2 billion.
no,
Since
no,
Jack is 1
how?
billion.
Yeah, it has to be 2 billion because even Jack that dumbass has 1 billion.
No, it does not
ready
have to
on
be 2
his
billion.
head.
Queen is 1.3. So King should be 1.5,
1.6,
1.6.
1.7,
No,
something like that, right?
1.67 or yeah.
Blackbeard has a bounty of 2.3.
Yes.
So how the hell is King gonna have a bounty of 2 billion? He's just a first commander. What the fuck? I
Yeah,
don't
so
think.
I don't know. Like, yeah. ये मेरे बैकग्राउंड से आवाज आ रहा है क्या?
Let's just
थोड़ा सा आ रहा है, चलेगा.
let's just not theater away from the conversation. Let's just. What do you guys
Yeah,
think?
let's just.
Okay,
When do you guys
so
think
the
is
last
the
topic. Okay,
is the
okay,
act
so
is gonna end? When do you think the
I
act
think
is ending?
probably more 20 chapters.
20 chapters. What
Okay.
the
Oh, sorry. The act. I think
fuck?
this act is going to end.
Not the arc. The act.
No, I think this act is going to end in about like 4 more chapters, probably.
Not 4 more.
Like in that range, in a single digit range.
No,
Not more than 10.
at least 10 to 15. Not 20. At least 10 to 15. At least.
No, that's too much.
10
I
to
think that's too
15.
much.
That's
Because
too
the-
many, I think.
because this
But
act,
No,
this act
no,
is
I don't think
that
so.
depends.
No, because
That depends whether the
there's
act is going
there's
to
so
end.
many things going on. Like there are other straw hats. Then Luffy has to wake up. Then Zoro has to use the full power of Penma. Then there has to be some betrayal or some other things where
like, dude. Here's the thing.
like,
I did.
yeah.
I did
that
my
depends
research.
whether you think the act. Wait a minute. That
Like, dude,
depends if you think this raid is going to end in a failure or not. So what do you think? The act is.
Okay, so
the
here's
raid
what
is
I
going
think.
to
Here's what
succeed?
I think. According to my research,
Umang,
there are supposed to be
Umang.
5
Umang.
acts,
yeah.
right? Okay,
हाँ
Umang.
हाँ बोल ना.
रोहन चुप बैठ रही. उमंग को बोलने दे पहला.
क्या?
What you think that this raid is going to end
In a
good for the Straw
tragedy.
Hats? In a tragedy, and you still think that it's going to take 15 chapters to end the act?
No. Like I don't know. It has to be. It won't be tragedy. You know, like some other people will die for like the Scarebirds or someone, but not. I don't think not one of like at least not one of the Straw Hats right now.
Nah,
Like,
I'm
this
not
is
talking
what I
about
think.
anyone dying. The tragedy could be them losing. I'm talking about that.
So if they lose, they are gonna die.
Like, dude, according to me, the only tragedy and the only bad thing about someone dying is like Law. If Law dies, then
No,
someone
no,
will
no.
achieve immortality instantly, and that is a bad thing according to me.
Yeah,
Who
like no
achieves?
one, no, like I don't think no one, like anyone will have immortality, like on the high ground
For
right
now,
now.
at least. For now, at least.
Yeah,
I don't see Law dying.
and to be honest, he has to be a part of Carebirds, or there's no reason for him to continue the story ahead. Like this is what I believe. Like he has to die here, or he has to be the part
Or
of
he has
the
to have some
sword.
purpose. He has to
Yeah,
have some purpose.
he has
But
to
people
give
say that
immortality
people
to
say,
someone at the end.
I don't
Okay,
think so.
so
Because,
I think it's getting late. So, what are your final opinions on this chapter?
so
According to me, this
I
chapter
don't know,
was
man.
according to me, this
It
chapter
was
was
a
a
good
solid.
chat.
This chapter was a solid 8.5 out of 10, according to me.
No, it's
8.5.
eight for me. Eight for me.
8 for me, okay.
I would say 7.58. Anyway,
Yeah,
8. I would.
so we are in the same range, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So
I
yeah,
don't think so.
I think that was it. So do you want to ask anything else?
क्या देखते हैं अभी क्या
Yeah.
होगा नेक्स्ट चैप्टर क्या होता है देखते हैं
एक मिनट
नेक्स्ट
रुक, एक मिनट
चैप्टर
रुक.
क्या लगता है क्या होगा Yamato is going to join the Stoics definitely
Yeah, like
Definitely.
if she will, then they'll be one step again closer to become, at least a Yonko level. Like
Yeah,
at least
after Wano,
not
after Wano I think Luffy is definitely going to be
If
Yonko
this
level.
happens, if Yamato joins Luffy's crew, then Luffy's reputation will go up, right? Because Kaido's son, there will be this news. This Kaido's son joined Luffy's crew, so his reputation has to go up.
Yeah, of
because
course.
that is the big
and
thing.
Or
After
maybe
Wano, Luffy is gonna be a full-fledged
no.
Yonko.
No, there is one possibility, or maybe if you're saying that Wano will be under protection of Luffy, so according to me, Luffy will hand over it to Yamato to say him to stay there and protect
Like,
Wano.
dude,
This is
according
what
to
I
me-
think. If she doesn't join the crew.
Like, dude, according to me, Momonosuke will be the ruler of Wano, and Yamato will be
No,
the
I
one.
think no. I think Momo is going to join
yeah.
the crew. Momo, Yamato, possibly Tama. They are going to join the crew.
No,
And
I don't think Momonosuke is going to-
they'll not join the crew,
They
but
will not
they'll join the fleet. They'll
Yes,
join
they
the
will-
fleet, not
yeah.
the crew.
No, I think
And
I-
maybe Yamato will be the guardian of Wano if she doesn't join the crew.
No, I don't think Yamato is
I-
supposed to guide. I don't think Yamato is supposed to guard Wano, because Momonosuke, he's the rightful leader of Wano, isn't it? So I think Momonosuke, he's supposed to guard Wano and take care about it.
No,
I don't think Yamato is the one.
Hiyori could be
I'm
the
not-
queen of Wano. Hiyori
I'm
is
not.
gonna take
I'm
over
not.
Wano.
No, I'm not saying that Yamato should be the shogun. Of course, Momonosuke is the rightful heir to the seat. But from the shadows, Yamato can be guardian of Wano. I'm not saying to become her the next shogun.
Yeah, can be
But
the guardian,
from the
just to be
shadows.
there, just to protect
Yeah,
Wano, right?
from the shadows.
Yes.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
I don't know. Maybe.
If this is what I think.
Yeah,
To
see.
see the overall welfare of Wano, because Momonosuke is, of course, he's just a kid right now.
Like, dude, how
And
many?
and I
I
don't
think
and
Yamato-
no one
Yamato-
and no one.
Listen.
Yeah, say.
Yamato, her whole life has been imprisoned in Wano. If you can say that she was imprisoned
Yeah.
in Wano her whole life. She wants to explore the world. She wants to go out to sea. And guess what? Luffy is right here. He's Ace's brother. Ace promised Yamato that he's gonna come back, defeat Kaido, take her to sea with him. Now Luffy is gonna fulfill that dream, take her to the seas, so she can see the world just like Oden did. It's a clear parallel for me. And Momonosuke is gonna
Yeah,
join the world
it
because
can.
he is the Kozuki. He will see the dawn of the world, whatever it is. After finding the One Piece, whatever it is, Momonosuke has to be there. For me, at least, he has to be there. So I think Momonosuke and Yamato are definitely joining the crew, and Hiyori is going to take over Wano. She might become the queen of Wano. That's what I think.
Yeah, it can be possible, but But to be honest, I don't think that Luffy right now will take Momonosuke on the journey. I guess he'll
Why
just
not?
say
He's already been on the ship. He's already like a member. What do you
no,
mean?
but no, but like the path ahead will not be safe. Like
I'm
it
not
will be
saying.
dangerous, of course.
Yeah,
And yeah,
he's gonna be like Shanks to Roger. What Shanks was to Roger. He's gonna be a cabin boy, and Zoro is going to train him, and
Dude,
he's
how
gonna
many
become
it
a
does
dude,
master
make sense.
swordsman.
dude, how many straw hats do we have including Jinbei?
No,
Uh,
Jimbei is a straw hat. Jimbei is a
That's
straw
what
hat.
I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. How many straw hats do we have including Jinbei? And excluding
Oh,
Luffy, of
including.
course.
so
So it is Zoro, Sanji, Nami, Robin, Chopper, Usopp, Frankie, and if we take
Brook,
and Jimbei, so it is 8.
8, right?
Brook,
Yes,
Yeah,
Brook,
and
9.
two more to make a 10.
Yes, and
Brook,
two. No,
nine.
Brook is there, so it's 9. So there's
Brook,
one more.
nine.
Yeah, Brook 9.
So there's this space for one more member, and this could be
I don't
Yamato,
think.
possibly.
But why not 11? What's the problem with 11?
Like, dude,
No,
this is
but I guess in the starting chapters he said, "Na, I just want a crew of 10 or something, to become a pirate king, but strong enough."
Yeah, but I don't think Momo joins for permanently, just like Oden did with Roger. I think he sails for just
I
like
don't
No,
think I
but
don't think
one
no,
journey.
I don't think it would be a wise
One.
choice to make like too many members. You know what I mean? Because Whitebeard has like fucking ten hundreds and thousands of members, and we don't know every single one of them. We only know the few powerful ones. And this is the same
Yeah,
thing,
but
right?
I'm
As the
not
main
talking about
character,
hundreds and thousands of men. I'm talking
and
about two people,
yeah,
Yamato
two
and
people.
Momonosuke. That's it.
No,
That's it.
I don't know. I don't think Momonosuke is like powerful enough, or even like
no, yeah, no,
he's not.
or no. What I think is
He's not
like no,
supposed to be a
like right
pirate,
now,
right?
no, 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 no. Yeah, because his dad was considered a idiot in Wano, so I don't think he'll make the same mistake again. And there are of course so many people to train him, and of course he like it is his duty to see the like the past things.
Did
But
you
I
read
don't
chapter
think
1000? Chapter
he'll
1000?
be on the ship. He'll be on the
In
ship
chapter
because
1000,
Wano
listen.
because Wano is a closed country. Wano is a
No,
closed
no.
country.
Yeah,
Hey,
it
dude,
is.
hey,
It
dude.
is.
Wait a
It is, but it's gonna
wait a few
change.
And
seconds.
It's gonna change. Listen. In chapter 1000, Yamato told Momonosuke that he is a very important person when it comes to the dawn of the world or whatever that is. He is a very important piece of chess in that or in that entire game. So I think he's definitely going to join the crew. If you reread chapter 1000,
no,
no?
I don't
Hello,
I
hello,
don't
hello.
think I don't think like Momonosuke right now is capable enough of not joining the crew or even on being on the ship right now.
Dude,
Or
Oden's.
maybe no, it is possible that
Hmm.
once they get all the all the road poneglyphs, and they know the exact location of Raftel,
Hmm.
and maybe yeah, so then it can be, but there has to be some big fight where Momonosuke should not be present because he's the next hire of Wano, or Shogun of Wano.
Ah,
So I don't think he should be on the ship because he has to
no
kill
curry's eyes.
after the Wano, and he can't be dead. He
We'll
can't
see.
die. He can't die.
Yeah, definitely
Like,
not.
dude, I
We'll
don't think
see.
Momonosuke
We'll
is
see.
supposed to be a pirate, right? Like, dude, his father was a ruler of a fucking kingdom, so I don't think he's supposed to be a pirate. He's supposed to be somewhat
Yeah,
more.
exactly. Because yeah.
He's
He's
not
Say,
supposed
say.
supposed to be, but what?
like, dude, I don't think he will be a pirate because he has to fulfill his father's dream, right?
Hmm.
He will carry on his legacy and become the ruler of Wano, or possibly something related to Wano. But I don't think he's going to be a
No,
pirate.
he will. Yeah, he
Absolutely.
won't. And
I think.
or maybe for the past, it is possible that when during the last journey, after Luffy finds Laugh Tale, so I guess he will come again in Wano to say to share all the history and past of 800 years Joy Boy
Yeah, he
to
needs to know. He needs
Momonosuke.
to know. He needs to
Yeah,
know
so
the entire. He needs to know the
yeah,
true history of the
he
world,
needs
just like
to know.
Odin did. Just like Odin
He
did. He
needs
needs to
to.
know.
Yeah, I understand. He needs to know, but I don't think it is important to be him on the ship. I don't think it is important because they
No,
can meet after everything in Wano again, and Luffy while sharing
uh,
the sake with him will say everything. This is what I
I
think.
don't think
If
so.
He will
Momonosuke
be a
will
part
not
of
I
his.
join,
don't think so.
Momonosuke
I don't think so.
will be a part of Luffy's fleet, but he won't be part of his crew. There's a difference, right?
yeah,
I think it's
yeah.
I think he's
I
definitely
don't
joining the
think so.
crew with Yamato.